We're continuing with logarithmic functions, and this time graphing two simple logarithmic functions. One of them is log base 2 of x, and the other one is log base 1/2 of x. And so to be able to do this, we want to figure out a few values. If I make a table, I can put in a few values for x and then find a few values for y. I can start as close as I want to 0 and then move on further. And so let's say the first thing that I put in is 1/8. 1/8 log base 2 of 1/8 is going to be -3. Then I want to put in 1/4, and that would be -2. Then I want to put in 1/2, that would be -1, and 1, which would give me 0, 2, which gives me 1, and then maybe another table, 4, which gives me 2, and so on and so forth. And so putting those points in here, I see that at 1/8 I have -3 down here. Then at 1/4 is -2, and then at 1/2 it's -1, and so this would be 1/2, and then this would be 1. This would be 1. At 1, the value is 0. Then at 2, it's 1. At 4, it's 2. And I connect them together. Okay, this was approximately like that. What we notice is that I can put in smaller numbers, positive numbers in here, and the y value is going to be very negative value down here. So it seems like that in this case, x equal to 0, the vertical line, or the y-axis, is the vertical asymptote. And then going over here, this was base 2, this one is base 1/2. Obviously 2 and 1/2 are the reciprocal of each other. Let's see what this one looks like. Make a table, x, y, and then I put in 1/8. This time I get 3, put in 1/4 to get 2, 1/2 to get 1, 1 to get 0, 2 to get negative 2 to get -1, 4 to get -2, and 8 to get -3. Putting the points in here, we start from, if this is 1, one-half, 1/4, 1/8. 1/8 is supposed to be 3. Then 1/2 is supposed to be 2. I'm sorry, 1/4 is supposed to be 2. 1/2 is supposed to be 1. 1 is supposed to be 0. 2 is supposed to be -2. And 3 is supposed to be, and 2 is supposed to be -1. I'm sorry. And 2 and 4 is supposed to be -2, which 4 is approximately down here, and like that. So the picture looks like or the graph looks like that. Again, here x equal to 0 is the vertical asymptote. Things to notice, these somewhat look familiar, and there is a familiarity that we know. This function and 2 to power x are the inverse of each other. So log base 2 of x and y equal to 2 to power x are inverse of each other. Log base 1/2 of x and y equal to inverse. 1/2 to power x are reciprocal of each other. How do we compare these things to each other? That means that they are actually mirror image of each other with respect to y equal to x. That was, if you remember from the past, this looked like we had a horizontal asymptote with 2 to power x, and then we would meet at 0 and 1, and then quick increase will happen there. With this one, when we had y equal to 1/2 to power x, again, it would be mirror image of each other over y equal to x. Therefore, I know that the other picture goes to 0 and 1. I know that since this one is the vertical asymptote for the log function, the exponential function has the horizontal asymptote there, and it goes like that. And that's how they are related. And the next thing is to graph and find the domain of the functions and find the graphs of the transformations of logarithmic functions.